My name is Prasoon Kumar. I am a second year student at the London Business School. I went to the Istanbul GBE, which was part of the second year MBA curriculum. I found it really valuable to go and experience the local business in a country, immerse myself to the local culture, and understand and apply these learnings elsewhere in a broader business setting. Being with 80 classmates, with two professors from LBS, with the GBE team, was a fantastic experience in itself. First of all, we were in a new country, in a unique ancient city, and we were all trying to understand and feel the culture and the vibrant city. But on top of all that, the interesting part was to understand how business and entrepreneurship is growing in this buzzing economy. And then it was all about learning from our classmates, having all those engaging discussions and trying to filter out what are the key learnings and the key drivers of what we are seeing in the country. The first highlight was the market exercise at the Grand Bazaar. We were divided into teams and the objective was to buy the best quality teapot at the cheapest price. Now the reason why it was very interesting to me and many others was that we actually got to apply the concepts and frameworks we learned in negotiation and bargaining course here at LBS and apply that in a more dynamic environment where the sellers are also very expert negotiators. And so we learned quite a lot from these negotiations as to not simply applying the scientific concepts but the artistic side of negotiation. It was very exciting. First of all, being with a team of 6 classmates was in itself a very fun experience. Secondly, I had never seen anything of the sort of Grand Bazaar, and the way each and every shopkeeper was kind of enticing us into the shopping experience. So the whole setup was a fantastic platform where we could apply our negotiation skills and see how far we can drive down the prices. My second highlight of the GBE was visit to the talk by the CEO of A101. A101 is a discount store. They sell cheap products and they have this strategy of having their store present in each and every corner of Istanbul and the other regions of Turkey. He gave insights into how he grew his business from 2008 until now, starting from scratch and having 2,000 stores in a span of 4 years. The reason it was interesting because one, he was a very close friend of Emre, so the discussion turned out to be very frank and very transparent, and he gave us some inside tactics and strategies on how he looked at the market, the competition, and what were the driving factors that helped him grow the business in the past 4 years. The value of being on site and listening to management speak about their business, as opposed to just inviting speakers on campus, is that first of all, because you are on site, you get to immerse yourself in the business, you talk to people, you understand how the business is running, and that helps you get a complete picture of the business. For example, when we visited Mavi, we had a look at the assembly line, we understood how the technology works. And then once we heard the CEO speak about his business, it helped us get a complete picture of what are the factors that are driving his business and what are the things, how is he making decisions. So being on site is really valuable. It helps you get a more holistic understanding of economics and business. What I learned from the GBE was how big a role the macro environment plays in an emerging country in a high growth market. So for instance, we realized in Turkey that people are very aware of the politics, the regulation, the inflation rate, how is the environment changing, and this plays a very important role in the day-to-day consumer behavior in the country. So that was something which we had not seen elsewhere, and that's why it's a very unique learning from the Turkey GBE. David Faro and Emre Özdenoren were great mentors to us. Our group was mentored by David for the presentation, and being from Turkey, he gave some invaluable insights on the way businesses work in Turkey, which were not so obvious to us in the beginning. Emre had a lot of contacts in Turkey, and many of the speakers were his uh, buddies from university and school. So it helped to make the discussions very engaging and very frank. The advice I would like to give to the future GBEs is that one should go with an open mind. Every GBE has a unique thing to offer, and Turkey GBE was different in the sense that if you want to learn about entrepreneurship and business in a high growth market, in an economy that is somewhere in between an emerging market and a developed market, then Turkey is the right place to be in.